Hello friends, in today's video I will give you 2 tips to get YouTube transcripts. How can you do that? Right now you can see on the screen that there is the transcription of a video which I have in youtube-transcript.com. The other tip is a surprise, so watch the video till the end. For content creators and anyone who needs to access a video's transcript, I will show you how to easily get a YouTube video transcript using the website youtube-transcript.com. Type youtube-transcript.com in the browser. Once you are on the site, you will see a simple and user-friendly interface. Let's go to the YouTube video you want the transcript for. Copy the video's URL from your browser. Return to youtube-transcript.com and paste the URL of the YouTube video into the designated field. Simply right click and paste the URL here. Once you have pasted the URL, click on the Get Transcript button. And there you go. youtube-transcript.com will start generating the transcript for your selected video. In just a few moments, you will see the complete transcript on the screen. You can scroll through the entire transcript right there. How to download the transcript? It's quite simple. If you need to save the transcript, simply click on this button, Copy Transcript. Choose the preferred format like text or doc and save it to your device. You can utilize this transcript in many ways. For example, you can give Chat GPT a command to summarize this in 10 points and paste all the matter here. Just give the command to Chat GPT and here you go. Now you can see all the details of the video which we copied in the form of transcript are now summarized in 10 points. Here is the second tip about which I have told you in the beginning of the video, that how can you get the YouTube video transcript. So here you go. For that you have to go to the YouTube studio of your channel, select any video, and here in the description you can see I haven't written anything here. There is a bonus over here. I am telling you how to create the subtitles as well as how can you summarize it and how can you get a copy of the YouTube transcript. First, go to the subtitles section which is present in the left menu here. Here in the subtitles section of the video, you can see I already have published my video subtitles in Urdu, which is created automatically. And how I created that, I will share the link of this video in which I have explained how can you create automatic file of your subtitles for any of the language you want. To create the video transcript, just click on the edit button of published subtitles here. You will be having this window. Here you can see the captions are given as per time. I want to copy all these captions, and for that I have to select every cell and select all and copy. It will be a difficult task. What I will do, I will just click here, edit as text. After selecting all by pressing Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy it and then again click on edit timings and publish it back. This is the one section. Now you need to go to Chat GPT and paste this over there. Let me show you what happened. Go back to the details section and here if I paste all the captions which I copied from the subtitles sections, let's see what happened. Just press Ctrl V to press it. You can observe there is a red line here and it is showing that your description is too long. Let me check. See, here 5000 characters are permitted, but this description which I just copied from the subtitle section, it is of 19,933 characters. What I need to do, just press Ctrl Z to do undo. Now this again blue line. Here I need to summarize it. For that I need to go to the Chat GPT and summarize it over there. So let's go to Chat GPT screen. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, how to sign up it, I will share the link of a video in which I have explained in detail how you can sign up in ChatGPT and use it and how to create different prompts. So what we need to do, finally just give a prompt to ChatGPT to summarize that subtitles. Control V and close the inverted commas, press enter. And here you go. And these are the 10 points which are created. Simply copy it from here. Now in this way you have created the transcript of the YouTube video. In the first method, YouTube transcript created with the help of a website, youtubetranscript.com. And in the second method, we use ChatGPT to create the subtitles. We may utilize this transcription as the description for your video as well. How can you do that? Just copy it from here and go to your video description to paste it. In the description section of the video, paste the 10 points that we have just created from the Chat GPT here. For that, press Ctrl V. And here are the 10 points. Now we can use it as the description of the video. I must recommend you to go through the all points which you have created from Chat GPT just to cross check it and approve. Simply save the video. And you can use this transcript anywhere you want. You can save it in the Word document or in the text file for later use. If you have any queries of this video, let me know in the comments. I will definitely answer you. Apply it yourself and let me know in the comments what are your results. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos and tutorials. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Happy transcribing!